Have you ever wondered just how deep the ocean really is? If we took Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, and flipped it upside down into the sea, its peak would still not reach the bottom. That's how vast our oceans truly are. The ocean covers more than 70% of Earth's surface and holds 99% of all living space. Imagine a massive bathtub stretching hundreds of miles in every direction. That's how much water we're talking about. And yet, despite its size, humans have explored only about 5% of this underwater world. The rest remains dark, mysterious, and filled with secrets. Let's begin at the surface, in what scientists call the sunlight zone. This is the ocean you know best. Warm, bright, and full of life. Coral reefs, sea turtles, and dolphins all thrive here. But sunlight penetrates only about 200 meters. Go deeper than that and everything changes. From 200 to 1,000 meters lies the twilight zone. Sunlight fades into near darkness, and pressure builds to 10 times what we feel at sea level. Here, creatures like oarfish and lanternfish drift in the dim glow. Many animals make their own light through bioluminescence. In this twilight world, glowing flashes replace the sun. Dive past 1,000 meters, and you enter the midnight zone. At this depth, sunlight is gone. The pressure is now 100 times greater than at the surface. Yet life persists. The anglerfish dangles its eerie glowing lure. Transparent squids and the famous blobfish survive where most creatures cannot. At 4,000 meters, we reach the abyss. Temperatures hover near freezing. The seafloor looks barren, but strange forms of life survive on marine snow. Tiny particles of dead plankton and organic matter drifting down from above. Occasionally, something massive arrives, a whale fall. The body of a whale creates an underwater oasis that can support life for decades. Go deeper still, beyond 6,000 meters, and you enter the Hadal zone, named after Hades, the god of the underworld. This realm consists of deep trenches like the Mariana Trench. Conditions here are so extreme that only a handful of missions have ever reached the bottom. Pressure is over 8 tons per square inch, like having 50 jumbo jets pressing down on you. Yet life continues. Small amphipods crawl in the mud, and giant single-celled organisms survive where steel would collapse. Finally, at nearly 11,000 meters, we arrive at Challenger Deep, the deepest known point on Earth. To put it in perspective, if you placed Mount Everest into the trench, there would still be more than a mile of water above its peak. Only a few humans have ever visited this place, including explorer James Cameron in 2012. Even here, in total darkness, scientists discover new species, snailfish, shrimp-like amphipods, and microbes that survive without sunlight. These organisms may hold clues about how life could exist on other worlds, like the hidden oceans beneath the ice of Jupiter's moon Europa. The deep ocean is not only a place of wonder, it is critical to Earth itself. It regulates climate, stores carbon, and supports ecosystems that humanity relies on. And yet, it remains largely unexplored. In fact, we know more about the surface of Mars than we do about our own ocean floor. The ocean's depths remind us of how little we truly understand about our planet. Each layer reveals creatures stranger than fiction, landscapes more alien than other worlds, and mysteries that continue to challenge science. One day, humans may explore these depths routinely, with fleets of submarines and robots. Until then, the deep ocean remains Earth's final frontier, silent, powerful, and almost entirely unknown. So next time you see the sea, remember, beneath those waves lies a world far darker, stranger, and deeper than you can imagine.